Good day, everyone, and welcome to our Zoom interview session. Today, we'll be talking about an innovative solution designed to help farmers in the Philippines detect plant disease early using artificial intelligence. This project is called AI Against Plant Disease Application. Let's welcome our development team. Thank you for being here. Let's start with a short introduction. Can you tell us your name and your role in the project?
Hello, I'm Lysang Gimian, the lead developer of AI model.
Hi, I'm Garing Justin and I work on the design and user experience of the application.
Alright, let's begin with the main question. What is the AI Against Plant Disease Application?
Our application uses AI and machine learning to scan plant leaves using the camera of a smartphone. It identifies disease such as leaf spot, blight, fungal infection, pest damage, and more. The goal is to help farmer immediately detect problem before they spread.
What problem are we trying to solve with this application?
The biggest problem in Philippine agriculture is late detection of plant disease. Many farmers don't notice their symptoms early, leading to lower harvest and bigger losses. Another issue is limited access to agricultural experts in rural areas. Our app brings expert level disease detection directly to farmers' phone.
So what is the proposed solution of your team?
Our solution is simple. Farmer take a picture of an infected leaf. The AI analyzes the image. It identifies the disease, gives the level of severity, and suggests treatment steps. We also provide prevention tips.
How does the application work? Can you walk us through the process?
Yes, here how it works. The farmers open the apps, they log in and click the camera button and take a photo of the plant. The image is processed by our AI model. The apps show the diagnosed suggested treatments and preventive measures. The farmers can also save diagnosed history for monitoring.
What are your future plans for improving the app?
In the next update, we plan to add offline detection, more crop diseases, voice instruction in Filipino and local dialect, a community forum for farmers, connection to agriculture supplier for remedies.
Thank you everyone for joining this interview. Your AI project is truly promising, especially for helping our farmers improve their harvest and protect their crops. Congratulations team. This concludes our Zoom interview. Have a great day everyone.
Thank